Yeah, hi, I'm Lakshmi and I'm the founder of Everyone Who Codes. We are here to support software engineers landing jobs faster through 101 mentorship and mock interviews with our team of senior FAANG engineers to simplify your job search journey. Today, let's talk about your job search. If you've been job searching for months with no results, the problem is not just the market, it is your strategy and mindset. In this video, I'll show you why you're stuck, how to fix it, and the exact 90-day roadmap that can turn rejection into real job offers. Why you're not getting a job. So let's figure this out. Why are you not landing offers? It is not always your skills. It is not always the economy. The real reasons are simple. You're not consistent. You don't have a structure. You're treating your job search like a hobby, not a full-time project. Think about it. Do you ever skip meals or go days without showering? No. You do these things daily. That's how your job search should be. Every single day, no excuses, no breaks. Today, let's discuss about the 90-day roadmap. Here is the truth. Nobody builds a house in 5 or 10 years. We plan, execute, and finish it in months. Your job search should be the same. Short-term, focused, 90 days of consistent effort. Here is the roadmap. Weeks 1 and 2. Build your foundation. Fix your resume and LinkedIn profile so recruiters can find you. Work on networking to build genuine connections. Weeks 3 to 6. Identify your skill gaps, DSA, system design, or even storytelling, and start upscaling on the things you lack. Weeks 7 to 10. Practice mock interviews, refine your answers, and get expert feedback. Networking is not an afterthought. It is a part of the process from day one. Your resume gets you seen, but relationships get you hired. Let me give you an example. One of our mentees was laid off and had just 60 days left on their H-1B grace period. They were applying everywhere, but hearing nothing back. We built a customized plan, resume refining, daily prep schedule, mock interviews with FAANG mentors, and networking outreach. Within 9 weeks, they landed a $220K offer at a top tech company. That's the power of consistency and the right guidance. Consistency creates habits. Science shows it takes 21 days to form one. So do something daily, resume tweaks, coding practice, or outreaches, and it becomes part of who you are. If you skip days and the entire process resets again. So if you want to transform into a strong candidate, you definitely need discipline, not shortcuts. A $50 course won't change your life, which are available all over the internet, but changing your habits will. Now let's talk about the personalized roadmap. Every candidate is different. Your gaps, your strengths, your timeline. It's not the same as someone else's. That's why at Everyone Who Codes, we offer customized roadmap with senior FAANG engineers. We go deep into the areas you need upskilling, guide you with real mock interviews, and give you feedback so you know exactly what to fix. That's how engineers in our community have landed 120K to 200K plus offers in under 3 months, even in this tough market. So here is the deal. Stop treating your job search like a side project. Give it 90 days of focus and you will see results. If you're serious about landing your next job faster, reach out to us and we will help you build your customized roadmap with our senior FAANG mentors. Because job search success isn't about luck or shortcuts. It's about consistency, strategy, and the right guidance. Your 90 days starts now. Also check out for our mentorship and mock interviews to land tech jobs in FAANG and other top tier companies through us. Find the details in the description section. Thank you to everyone for joining us, and you're also welcome to connect with us on our free newsletter on LinkedIn and Substack, and follow us on our Instagram account. Please do subscribe to my channel, like and share so this video benefits all engineers in this challenging market. Thank you.